In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use eToro for beginners. Full walkthrough. We're going to go through the platform in a simple, beginner-friendly way so you can understand where everything is and how the main features work. To get started, sign into your eToro account. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken into the main platform area. If this is your first time inside the account, take a moment to get comfortable with the layout before clicking around too quickly. Next, complete your account verification. Look for the option that says, Verify your account and follow the prompts. This step is important because verification helps unlock full account functionality and keeps the platform secure. Make sure you complete each part carefully so there are no delays later when you want to deposit or trade. After that, spend some time exploring the homepage. This is where you'll usually see your dashboard, market highlights, and the latest updates. Think of this section as your overview page. It gives you a quick snapshot of what's happening on the platform and can help you stay aware of market activity. Now, move to the navigation menu and get familiar with the main sections. You'll see Home, Watch List, Portfolio, Discover, and Wallet. Home is your general dashboard. Watch List is useful for keeping an eye on assets you're interested in. Portfolio is where you monitor your current investments. Discover helps you browse markets and opportunities. Wallet is where you manage supported funds and related features. Knowing these sections early makes the whole platform much easier to use. When you want to find something specific, use the search bar at the top. You can search for stocks, ETFs, cryptocurrencies, and other assets. This is one of the fastest ways to move around the platform, especially once you know what you're looking for. If you're not sure what to explore yet, click Discover. This area is designed to help you browse available markets and assets in one place. It's a helpful section for beginners because it lets you explore categories without needing to search manually every time. When you're ready to put money into the account, click Deposit Funds. Follow the on-screen instructions to fund your account. Before confirming anything, it's always a good idea to review the amount carefully. Once your account is funded, you can place your first trade. Open the asset you want, then click Trade. Review the trade details carefully before submitting so you understand exactly what you're entering. After your trade is live, head to the Portfolio section to monitor your positions and overall performance. This is where you'll keep track of what you own and how it's doing over time. Finally, you can switch between real and virtual portfolios by using Switch to Real or Switch to Virtual. This is especially useful for practice, since the virtual mode can help you learn the platform before trading with real funds. Thanks for watching.